Hi, welcome to the Askaa Vlogs YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your crease in Samsung mobile when it's stuck on Samsung logo. For the first time, if you don't subscribe me yet, click the subscribe button, subscribe me, and click the bell icon to get all the updates. To fix your mobile, press and hold the power button, hit the volume down button in same time until it's power up to the model name. Like I do. Once it's power up to the model name, release all the buttons you have pressed. Like I do. This is the easy way you can fix your mobile once it's creased without losing your photos and all the data. I will show you my gallery as well. Now I'm going to unlock my phone by my passcode. I will open gallery for you. Can you see even nothing happened anything to my photos? If you like the video, make sure thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, let me know in comment section. If you need more videos, check out in my channel. Thank you for watching.